Imagine an old ship. Over time, its wooden planks become damaged and are replaced. After many years, every single part of the ship has been. The question is it still the same? Philosophy calls this the Ship of Theseus. But this question is not really it's about us. Your body today is not the same as it was a few years. Your knowledge has changed. Your habits have changed. The way you think has evolved. Even your dreams may be different. Yet, through all of these changes, you still feel like the lesson is simple. You don't have to remain the same person. There is nothing wrong with changing, learning. In fact, it is the small change repeated consistently over that shape who you become in the future. Don't be afraid to leave behind old habits that hold. Becoming a better version of yourself does not mean losing. Sometimes, it is exactly how you discover your truth. Every day is an opportunity to replace one plank in your life. And one day, those small changes will come together to create someone wiser and better than the person you are.